Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add songs to your playlist in Spotify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're gonna be in Spotify, click on a song like Sahman I see here, the guy, and what you want to do is this. Let me just go with the media low. Click on the three dots on a song or click on a song and then go to right top corner to the three dots and you're gonna see here add to playlist, right? And now you can simply add it to playlist that you created, and I added to logic. I can go again, add to playlist, and click here to YOLO, and this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.